Good morning, Muri Zimbabwe. Pane post yakanetsa zuro pa Facebook, as you can see, about Passion Java and his brother Simba Java. There are people who are claiming to be Simba Java, trying to steal Simba Java's identity. So I had to look around and to look for him, to ask him about the post which happened yesterday. Saka, here I'm having Mr. Java. This is the true Mr. Simba Java. He's got some few words to say concerning mukoma wavo, mununguna wavo, Prophet Tswibidi Twabam. So, Mr. Java, I think it's your time to have a floor, and you can tell if you are ready the whole of Zimbabwe and the whole world.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. First and foremost, I'm Simba Java, the blood brother of Prophet Passion Java. Actually, what happened yesterday, my account was hacked by a guy called Rogers Wade. This guy, he is my friend. Actually, we went to school together to University of Zimbabwe. That was, I think, a decade ago. So what happened is he's got a construction company. When I came this side, Prophet Passion Java, East London. When East London, he was promising something, but unfortunately, he didn't fulfill it. Myself, I live a private life. I didn't even want this to happen, but because of the coincidence that happened yesterday, whereby Rogers Raid hacked my account, since he had access to my Facebook, WhatsApp, my Twitter account, Instagram, then he posted what he posted. But nevertheless, the fact remained the same. Not kuti ndikuti mwana wamai vangu akaitire mari is obliged to help me, while least iye anenge ane zviri important zvekuti ashandise mari yake. The only thing that I want from him is kuti at least if he can afford kuti andidzosere kuZimbabwe, then I'll stay with my mom, which is his mom. So the thing is, the guy who was taking care of me actually dropped me, because apparently he took me in his construction company. I was working there, but we were stopped in COVID. The BCM municipality in East London, they stopped that project. So now I'm homeless because I didn't pay rent. I was thrown away. Actually, I was thrown away by the landlord. No, I don't have anywhere to go. So I had to talk to my family. Then Prophet says he's not willing to help me with the reasons that I don't know. But same one on my wangu in I love him so much. 2017, he had an Amarok. If you can know cars, VW Amarok, twin cab. Most of the people who were seeing him driving that car, it was my car. I was helping unconditionally because he's my blood. So now I feel neglected, I feel betrayed, I feel probably I'm excluded. I'm excluded from the family due to his instructions. So right now, actually there's some of the friends that I have, they've got a link to Ubed Angel. I spoke to him yesterday and they said no, I will make a plan for you, Simba, because Ubed Angel is like a family friend. We even stayed with him that was 2000 and should be 2006, 2007. He came from UK, stayed at our place, and also DJ Fantan. He knows me. I was going to choose sport. He said, okay, if I can get something, I can send you so that you can come back home. Jamas has been speaking to Jamas, even in my Facebook page, Pango, Simba Java, and profile, DJ Fantan. I'm the one who was the runner for Passion data my areas ASA Zimbabwe before I migrated to SA. I was he was the one who was telling me to run Java Records, in Zimbabwe. I was like even if you ask Jamasta Ingwapatan, Enzo, and all other guys, I was doing my errands. So the thing is, I feel betrayed. I don't have any money. I don't even have any food. Where I was staying, everything is just hell. So if anyone wants to help me, you're welcome to help me. I think I will put my number on the screen as I'm speaking. Whoever wants to help me, I will send my South African number. I will send my account number. Then if anyone helps, then I can go back to Zimbabwe because Prophet Passion is saying he doesn't want to talk to me. He don't tell me what to do with my money, of which we grew up like buddies. We grew up like twins because we've been always together since day one. I loved him since day one. I had to help him when I had money, even when he was staying in a summer strand before he was a pastor. That was long back. I had to send him to things were hard for him because he was working at a petrol station. I had to send him money through Metropolitan Bank. That was long back. Then he had to come back home. Then I had to assist him there and there where he wanted assistance. And I was the breadwinner by then at the house because we grew up in a poor family. Then I was working for Econet by then. Then Econet Masasa, they know me. Mr. Chaza was my boss. Nigel Masiwa was my boss, and also McDonald Chabonga was my boss. I had to assist him. He was always at Econet. I could help him with money, anything that I could. But that was unconditional love. I didn't help him with Andy back, but I did it because I love him. He's my mother's son. He's my father's son. We are same blood. So now the issue is, if Hubert Angel is arkurevesa about the help, achandibatsira, then I can go back to Zimbabwe. There's a PAE wa Chiwenga, Apostle Chiwenga angati no, I will talk to pastor, then he can assist you to come back, or you come back to Zimbabwe. And also there's a PAE also from Makandiwa angati the prophet said he can assist. So now I feel betrayed. My outsiders, they are willing to assist me, but my brother is saying no. Even if you can die of hunger there, I don't care about all those things. Of which I'm surprised and I'm being traumatized. I'm traumatized because he used to be a loving, he used to be a loving brother to me before. But now I don't know what's really happening, because I think he's helping out like Danso, which is good, Danso fans, because I was the runner for Chill Sport, the bridge between Passion and Chill Sport. I was in between. Even if you can see my pictures with Jamasta, with Angwa Patan, with DJ Fantan, Nana Ains, or all those guys, they know me very well. So myself, I just want to thank you. Whoever is willing to help me, I can thank in advance so that I can go back home. Then I will stay with my mom back home until my things goes right. Then I will soldier on with life. The only thing that I want from him, I don't need him to buy me an expensive car and to mari and so forth. It's like a wonder. The only thing that I want is at least if I can assist so that I can clear my debt areas, which I was borrowing people for food and my render areas, then I can just go back home, be it a airplane, be it a bus, it's fine. So now the thing is, Prophet Passion, I don't have anything against you. I love you as my blood brother. Keep on doing the work of the Lord. May the Lord richly bless you. I bless your church. I bless all your errands. I bless your business. I bless your family. Myself, I'm just really down. I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to do because this guy, Roger Wade, is the only one that I was counting for, of which he betrayed me. He was even sending my kids money. I love my kids, Nicole, Seth. So now the thing is, I'm stuck in East London. I need to go back home. So people, just help me, whichever way that you can help me. I need to go back home. Prophet Passion said he cannot assist me in anything, of which I know he's got money. He cannot like kwanisa kushayiwa kana 3 or 4,000 rands ekuti ndiende kuomba back, but I don't understand. So I told all my family, including my mother, my brothers, so that they will neglect me forever. They won't talk to him because the blogger and rakaiswa nezuro ne the guy on the Rogers Raid. I'm the one who fabricated it, of which I didn't know anything about it. So he has condemned me. He told the whole family to throw me away because ndakamunyadzisa kuti he can't take care of me because I cannot be exposed because people, they know me with money. Okay, I'm sorry for what happened. For my friends, they did what they did, but the fact remains the same. I'm suffering more than suffering. I need to go back home. Then I will just start over life. So please, guys, help me. I will put my account number. I'm the real Simba. If people, they can confirm, Chill Spot, they can confirm, oh, dancehall artists, they can confirm. To the Bismarck knows me, Bishop to the Bismarck, Apostle Java, and a couple of pastors, they know me. You Get Angels more than a brother to me. So guys, just help me so that I can go back home. I'm stuck here, I'm stuck with life. Please guys, just help me. I will send my account number, I will send my phone number so that you can call. I'm the Simba Java, and I will give you my straight account so that you can see that it's me, because there's a lot of people that are faking my identities by cheating deal. Another people who are creating my Simba Java accounts. You just go to my Facebook account, DJ Fantan with my profile picture. So whoever is listening to me, may God bless